So you see this word list here, and we have different words. So we're also going to do the same thing we did last time with a partner. I'm going to give you a model. So just listen without speaking. Listen without using your kazoo. I know you got to put your kazoo down just for the moment, okay? So that I can demonstrate how we're going to say these, right? We're going to say activate, kinesthetic, associate, pronounce, tactile, clarity, association, pronunciation, visual, internalize, category, segment, auditory, modalities, information, suprasegmental. Now, it's time for you to work with partner and practice these words with saying it and giving me the stress. Okay, with the kazoo.